you to say thank you to your benefactor. It is not fair for you to disparage your benefactor because of one reason or the other. It is true that if Professor Ben Ayade was in PDP today, all those things you are hearing, you would not have heard them. They continue to say Ayade brought him, Ayade. Who brought them? Who brought the other one? Gone are the days of slavery. Gone are the days of slavery. This is the APC family. You have the best of the best. One man has come to unlock that prosperity door. He has set a processing facility almost everywhere. My promise to you this evening is that we are going to scale up the agri-industrial revolution. The policy thrust of the incoming administration is to eliminate all waste, but support all factors of production and all the agencies and institutions that support production. We are going to build our men and women. We will give loans to our young men and we will give grants. We are going to build our own indigenous Julius Berger. For once, Cross River State is going to begin to see indigenous contractors from Cross River State going big. We want all Cross Riverians to rise. It is time to call a spade a spade. When something is good, we should say it's good. I was told when I came to say thank you that the problem of Bekwarra was light. The incoming government is bringing light. I've already involved one of your sons who has come on board with a couple of meetings. We are going to have more than enough power to even load to the national grid. You know, some people in these campaigns will come and tell you what they cannot do. I will never lie and I will never deceive you. That is why I always say the antecedents of a man should define the man, not when you're in office. When you're in office and you're given power, it's a different ball game because you can then be singing another story. I've been in power a couple of times. My schoolmates of elementary 1 are still my friends till today. They are very happy we have no problem. God did not build me with any ego at all. Neither did he want me to dominate a man. I don't dominate anybody. I believe that everybody must grow and achieve his proper potential. It is time for Cross Riverians to grow. Enough is enough. If you go to Abuja today, they say Cross Riverians, well, very few, you can't find us anywhere. What has caused that? Deliberate depression of very intelligent young men. Governor Ayade has come to expose them, and there's nothing anybody can do again. You can't hold the young men back again. They have to grow. If not so, you will find no sleep. That is why we are trying to tell PDP, it is not your time again. Because you won't be able to suppress these young men anymore. Somebody has come to revolutionize them. Somebody has come to empower them. Somebody has come to open their eyes. You can't put them in the backyard again. Cross River State is ready to rise. I want all of us to charge. It's not just an ordinary election. We are going to win for winning. But we have to win them by miles. So that next time people will not interfere in the affairs, internal affairs of Cross River State. Ever since Ayade is here, I don't think he has dabbled into the affairs of any state. We will never do it. So let nobody try it. Right from the colonial days, Cross River State has never been a colony. It is not today that anybody is going to subject us. Thank you and God bless you.